Hey there. So I'm just playing with the turkey now, and all the liquid is pretty much evaporated. Got some nice color. I'm going to take the rosemary branches out. A few of those little sticks are still in there. The garlic is now golden. So we're doing my Tuscan Thanksgiving. The tacchino arrotolato, which is in my cookbook. I sell this online. It's too bright there. Secrets from my Tuscan cook on my website, divinacucina.com. And I also have a link. I have a digital version, an ebook. Okay. This bit actually mails from America. I send boxes to America, and it goes from America. And it's stitched together. And then it's my handwriting font and little places for you to take notes. So when I do my live videos, you can take notes. So I can hear now that basically the water's all gone, the wine, and I just got this little pan gravy now. When meat, do you know this, when meat is done, this is like when meat is raw, and you touch right here, and then you go like that, it's medium, and when you go like that, it's well done. So you don't have to stick your knife in meat, which would make it get all dry. If you just press down and it's firm, that means it's done. So I'm going to take out a little turkey right now. Your pan gravy is what's left in the pan. And I can just add a little water to this. I don't add flour or anything else. And just scrape off the bottom of the pan, and then this will make your pan gravy. Just on top of your turkey. So it's the white wine, which is now concentrated, the rosemary, there's a few needles still left in there, a little piece of prosciutto fell off, and the garlic cloves. So if I want to, I can just smash up. The garlic cloves are perfectly roasted in here, so I just break those up, and that's going to thicken the sauce a little bit. Okay, beautiful. So now, where did I put my scissors? Oh, they're still hanging up. I'm just going to, where I double knotted the turkey, cut it off, and then this is all going to come off in one piece by unwrapping it, so there won't be any strings left on your turkey. I always hate that. Sometimes you always forget something. Okay, one long piece. Okay, so now, here we go. Let me just show you. This is from that softer end. But can you see this little, it looks like baby porchetta. Isn't that great? I'm right-handed, so I'm going to cut it this way. You don't want to cut them too small. Nice, thick, beautiful slices. This is kind of hot. My gravy now, I'm going to turn off the pan because that's ready. And I can just put it right here on my little tray. If you like to have thinner pieces, you could like wait till the next day when it's cold, and it slices up nice and thin for sandwiches. Okay. If you want to, you could actually take the pieces and warm them in the gravy, like this. So I often do that with the leftovers, is that I would kind of cut them cold, and I let it get cold first, cut them a little bit thinner, and then when it's time to have the party, I just re-warm them in the gravy here. So the juices get all absorbed in, which is really, really nice. Gets a little more color. You just need like a minute on each side. Here we do that. So see how pretty it is. Do you see this? Isn't that beautiful? And delicious. I'll be taking a photo of this and putting a photo of it on the web page. Just give this another little browning right there, some little end pieces. And then I'll pour the rest of the gravy on top. I usually do, like, for vegetables, I'll do like sweet and sour onions, oven roasted potatoes. I think you could never have too many vegetables on Thanksgiving. Sauteed Brussels sprouts with pancetta. Now here I'll just pour this on top with those little garlic bits. And that's it. In under an hour, and no sweat, Tuscan Thanksgiving. Let's see, you can see that. Okay? Hi Kate, how are you? Buon appetito. So I'll be posting the photos. Have a nice Thanksgiving. Ciao, ciao.